Welcome to Lebanon, Tennessee. Well, I'm going to have a day of autocross with the Tennessee Region SCCA. Looks like it's going to be a busy day. A lot of cars are showing up, but I do have a confession to make. I've owned this Lotus 7, Super 7 Caterham car for like 8-9 years or so, and I've never tracked it.
What?
I've never autocrossed it, other than cruising and run back roads, daily driving and stuff like that. Car shows, I've never taken to the track. So this is a first. So let's see how she does. If you've never seen this car before, this is my Locost 7. It has a Miata swap in it. So Miata 1.6 with a 6-speed manual. And yeah, it's a lot of fun, like a street level go-kart. And the main reason I've never tracked her, the autocross, is I don't really trust the brakes.
You don't scare me!
Has some old 70s model Toyota brakes on it, front and back. This front's not too bad, but still old technology, and they don't stop the best. Not what I'm compared to, or used to. And also the turning radius on this car isn't very good. Like, the wheels don't turn super far. So that might help me in some of the tighter bits. But I'm gonna do it anyway, have some fun, go send it. Okay, I'm done with my session. I did six goes, and yeah, like as expected, the car was pretty sketchy. Does not like the tone. Doesn't like the brake. But other than that, she's fun. She's fun to slide around and go through the S's and everything. So I think my fastest time was a 39 something. And it's kind of slow considering a lot of people were doing like 33s and stuff. So definitely not fast, but it wasn't the slowest thing out there. So yeah, a lot of the suspension and steering geometry would have to be changed for it to be competitive or do good, do nice. But we finished our lunch, and here soon I got to go back out there and be on cone duty for the rest of the day. Fun. Shift. Hey, you got the car back home in one piece. So even though the car doesn't like the steel tone, you know, I didn't have any major issues with the car itself. You know, it didn't break, overheat, nor anything crazy, you know. Okay, what are some things I can do to help fix the steering? Is, I guess, alignment would help. And also replacing the steering rack with a rack that has a closer or shorter ratio. Maybe I can use one from Miata. Something I'm gonna have to look into. And I've never checked to see what the alignment is on this car. Looking, I can get more camber out of it. Adjustment here, I'll be able to get a little more camber out of it. Might help. But looking on this side, I think I'm already maxed out. So yeah, I don't know if just those control arms with different sizes and whoever made them messed them up. So that's something I'm gonna have to look into. And we're in. What I would like to do is put a Miata wheel end in it and go independent rear suspension. Get rid of these drum brakes. Get rid of the one wheel peel. Would I think help a little bit. Help make the car rotate a little bit better. And also give better brakes. Maybe put Miata spindles in the front with Miata brakes. Would, I think, help this car quite a bit. But if I do that, not sure when it's going to be. Might be on the back burner. This car always gets put on the back burner because I'm always working on other projects. But that is it for this video. If you want to see more Lotus content, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Just tell me what you want to see. What you want me to do this thing. Or if you want me to leave it alone and focus on my other projects, let me know. But I have a few track days coming up, so come back for those. But until then, peace out. See you later.